Hello, so I've just brushed my teeth and now I'm going to use this mouthwash. So this mouthwash is the Georganics one. This is spearmint. So this, all you do is you take one tablet out of here and you dissolve it in a bit of water. So I've got my glass. So I'm just going to fill it up with a tiny bit of water, just about that much, and then whack it in. So it just dissolves by itself, like you don't really have to do anything. So normally with this, I will pop it in my glass whilst I'm brushing my teeth, so that way you don't have to wait, as I am waiting now for it to dissolve. But look, it goes this really awesome green colour, and it smells really nice and fresh as well. So this pot as well, so I'll just put this on the side for a second. This is amazing because it's a glass pot, and it comes as well in a cardboard sleeve. Let me see if I've got it, yeah, here. So it comes in this cardboard sleeve as well, so all of it is fully recyclable. There's no plastic involved, and it's really handy like travel, because I obviously travel quite a lot, and if any of you guys do as well, this is a really easy thing to take with you. It's also made in England, and it's completely cruelty free, it's vegan, and it's made from all natural ingredients. So yeah, love this. So here you go. Now this is completely dissolved. It's literally, look at that colour. And it smells really nice and fresh as well. So now all I'm going to do is gargle it, sort of as you would any normal mouthwash. So I'm just going to gargle it for, you're supposed to gargle it for about 30 seconds, but I'll see how long I last. So yeah, cheers. Nice and minty fresh. So yeah, that's it. It's pretty easy, to be honest. You just dissolve it, gargle it as you would normally, and now your breath is fresh. It's actually really nice. I can smell it, and I'm gonna go to bed, and then I'll wake up and I'll be beautiful, beautiful. Bye guys.